Adventure to me is going somewhere I haven't been before. It really is about the journey and enjoying the present moment and having fun along the way. I'm in the San Juan Mountains right now with Ford and Google Maps, and this is actually the first time an automotive company has partnered with Google Maps in capturing over 5,900 miles of America's off-roads with their new Street View camera. So while the TransAmerica Trail has multiple routes, Ford and Google Maps have chosen one to include as many states as possible and highlight some of the most challenging and beautiful terrain the U.S. has to offer. And I'm so psyched that my buddy Yan is in town and able to meet up with us.
This area has amazing mountain biking.
Can we go ride?
Yep, let's go ride.
Yeah, let's go!
Mountain biking with Micayla is awesome because she's stable, thoughtful, safe, and fast.
I think mountain biking, it really is very similar to driving. The more technical it is, the more you want to check it out and what you're getting yourself into.
It's also that exhilarating feel, a little adventure, and you're doing it somewhere beautiful too. One of the things when you're off-roading that's critical is understanding the trail. So I think having a street view will just help give people more confidence in going places that they wouldn't have otherwise. It's an amazing tool for accessibility.
I'm always up for a challenge. I love adventure. So Yan took me on the Via Ferrata. I would like to say I wasn't scared and it was super easy, but there was definitely a couple moments where I had to kind of take a deep breath and just drop in. Woo!
You're doing great.
Thanks, man. As soon as you're done and back on solid ground, it's like a wave of, pride and accomplishment. I think it's one of the best feelings in the world.
You know, whether it's pushing outside your comfort zone in something like the Via Ferrata or taking on the challenge of the TransAmerica Trail, it's about knowing that you're more capable than you might think you are and just going for it.